Today we are going to discuss scope and importance of Polytechnic. As we all know, there are several courses available after SSC such as Polytechnic through various branches like civil, mechanical, electrical, computer, electronics and telecommunication. Students can also do ITI or 11th science, MCVC, arts or commerce. Though so many courses are available after SSC, if a student wants fast job opportunities in a respectable way, Polytechnic courses gives that respectful job opportunities immediately after SSC. It is the fastest way of getting a job within 3 years immediately after completing diploma in engineering, that is Polytechnic. Now what is career in Polytechnic? If a student cannot continue further education due to financial crisis or any other reason, then doing a Polytechnic course in the area of interest can be the best idea. Already employed unskilled persons in any sector doing Polytechnic can increase their salary. Even they can start their own business when the Polytechnic course is done. There are vast career opportunities after this course depending on specialization. Now what is Polytechnic? A Polytechnic education gives you experience within a dynamic and progressive learning environment. Polytechnic institutes are dedicated to offer a number of professional courses under one roof. Courses available at Polytechnic help students to start his or her profession either through a job at a well-reputed company or by starting his own business. Now what are the advantages of Polytechnic? There are two ways to earn a graduate degree in engineering, either 2 years of higher secondary education followed by 4 years of engineering program, or 3 years of engineering education after 3 years of study in a Polytechnic college. That means you have to spend minimum 6 years in both ways to earn a graduate degree in engineering. But pursuing engineering programs after Polytechnic education carries definite advantage. Firstly, it costs less in pursuing 3 years Polytechnic course than to normal education. So a Polytechnic student from middle class background can easily afford the course. Secondly, if the student is unable to continue his education, then he can get into job and then pursue engineering on a part-time basis without causing financial burden on the family. This course also enhances technical skills. In many fields, technical knowledge and skills play a more important role than theoretical knowledge. These skills can vary right from CNC programming, satellite training, Photoshop for advertising, programming for computing, AutoCAD software for engineers and many more. By being able to master these skills, the chance of the student getting a better job in the industry increases greatly. This course is providing industry experience also. Students opting for Polytechnic education mostly get a chance to intern for 6 to 12 months in an actual company. This helps in giving the student valuable industry knowledge, which is a definite advantage when the student actually starts working in the industry. These internships can also provide opportunities to work with industry experts. This also enables students to make good relations with the influencers in the industry, thus making it easy for them to get a job. This can also help to boost the confidence of a student. Also, the process of admission to Polytechnic is easy process. With an increasing demand, the competition in different fields, it can be difficult to get admission in the university. However, the process of admission is fairly easier for Polytechnic education. Student can easily get admission for Polytechnic education through centralized admission process, that is CAP. Another added benefit is that Polytechnic education generally tends to be cheaper when compared to university education fees. Also, the staff of Polytechnic education is generally qualified lecturers with a number of years of working experience drawn from the education field as well as the private sector. Due to all these benefits, it is generally advised to take a Polytechnic course before opting for higher education or taking a job. Now, what are the courses in Polytechnic? There are many courses in Polytechnic. Each course provides vast job opportunities in various fields. The students may join the companies as trainee engineer and can be promoted to department manager with attractive salary. Some of the important courses in Polytechnic are Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Electronics and Telecommunication, Diploma in Computer Engineering, Diploma in Electrical Engineering, and diploma in mechanical engineering are some of the important courses available. Now, what is the career scope in Polytechnic? There are many career opportunities available to you in government sector or private sector after completing Polytechnic course. Some companies even prefer to recruit Polytechnic students rather than engineering students. Students can also get lateral entry in degree engineering courses like BE, BTech second year after successfully completing diploma course. Government sector opportunities like Indian Railway, BHEL, Airport Authority of India, Power Grid, Electricity Department, PWD are available for Polytechnic holders. Polytechnic engineers can get a job at the private companies also like Siemens, Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy, HCL, Infosys, etc. related to their field. At entry level in these companies, Polytechnic engineers work as product developer, service engineer, assistant designer, analyst, junior engineer, executive, etc. There are also excellent career opportunities in the Gulf countries for Polytechnic engineers. Polytechnic engineers can also work as lab assistant at college. Now about CSMSS College of Polytechnic. The CSMSS College of Polytechnic is a technical education institute providing technical education in the city of Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. It was established in the year 2009 with 5 diploma programs and a sanction intake of 390 students. The institute is affiliated with the MSBT and managed by the CSMSS Sanstha. The branches or courses available here are civil engineering, computer engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering and electrical engineering. This institute is run by Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Sanstha. The Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Sanstha is established in the year 1986. Other institutes run by the Sanstha are Ayurved Mahavidyalaya and Rugnalaya, Dental College and Hospital, College of Agricultural and College of Engineering. Now, why CSMSS? CSMSS College got an excellent remark for all the branches. Only one college in the region got such remark. The college had ISO 9001-2008 certificate for quality in education. College having SATCOM laboratory in it. Only 2 colleges in Maharashtra has this laboratory. Various colleges in the region regularly visiting CSMSS College of Polytechnic for training in SATCOM laboratories. We are having PMKY, that is Pradhan Mantri Kaushalya Vikas Yojana courses available. Only one college in the region. Participating in Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, a mission of IITians and the Government of India. So by participating in it, our students will get a chance to interact with IITs. We have signed MOU with Weifeng University, Taiwan, and our 6 students studied in Taiwan under Student Exchange Program in Taiwan. Also, DMIC, that is Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor, a project of Government of India, is situated in Bidkin. So our college is nearest to it. That means our students will get maximum benefit of it, which gives us 100% placement guarantee after diploma, that is Polytechnic. We have signed MOU with more than 100 industries, which also gives us 100% job guarantee. CSMSS College of Polytechnics is declared as a central institute in the Marathwada region for industrial training program in hub-spoke model of MASIA to provide industrial training to Polytechnic students. We had regular campus interviews in our college in which many industries and colleges in the region participated and more than 1000 students got job. Facilities available in CSMSS College of Polytechnic are: every staff of this college has their own YouTube channel which provides our students to access the study material, that is notes, videos on syllabus topics anywhere, anytime. CSMSS College of Polytechnic had one of the best full AC auditorium in the region. College having Wi-Fi in the campus. Complete college campus is under CCTV supervision of many cameras. Campus having 24/7 security, 24/7 security for boys and girls hostels also. We are having very good sports facilities and we won the gold medal in IDSA sports events. We are having cafeteria, gym, library, IT infrastructure, transport facilities also. Well-equipped laboratories, many colleges in the region conducting their practicals in our laboratories. We are having 24/7 medical facilities, medical checkup camps for students regularly conducted by our college. Bank facilities, post office facilities, and all the facilities are available in the campus only, so students don't need to go out of the campus for any of their needs. From all this discussion, we can draw a conclusion that doing polytechnic is the best choice when you are stuck in your life due to financial crisis or any other family problem. It gives you opportunity to earn livelihood at very early stage of your life. Also, it provides great career growth opportunities. If at any point of time you feel that you should go for a degree in engineering, then through lateral entry you can get admission in BE BTech second year. While college education provides the knowledge, a polytechnic education can provide a hands-on experience within a dynamic and progressive learning environment. And doing a polytechnic course in CSMS's College of Polytechnic is giving you new wings to fly in the sky of bright future with bright career.